Welcome back to Better with Spice. Today I'm sharing a recipe for boiled and fried cassava. This is a gluten-free dish which can also be eaten with any protein of choice. Cassava, which is also known as yuca, is a root vegetable which is grown in tropical areas of the world. Boiled and fried cassava brings back so many memories of my childhood, so let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using a total of 3 cassavas. I'm going to start by removing the skin, cut into 1-inch pieces, then soak the cassava into cold water before boiling. After 25 minutes of cooking, I'm going to test to ensure that the cassava is completely cooked. And by doing this, I will be using a kitchen knife. And once the knife goes through the cassava, this indicates that it's completely cooked. But to pan fry the cassava, I'm going to combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, onions, and garlic and allow this to cook until translucent. Then I'll add a teaspoon of green seasoning, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, give this a quick mix and allow this to cook for another 5 minutes. Now I'm going to place the cassava back to the pot and add a few other spices. I'm using dried basil, black pepper, paprika, and scallions. Then combine all ingredients together and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. And there you have it, guys, boiled and fried cassava. This dish is delicious, simple, and easy to make. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next upload.